Why you need 1 million LUNC coins. We all know just how exemplary TerraClassic has been in the last couple of months. The price of a Terra TerraClassic has increased by 22% and is now $0.000161. Financial backers of Terra TerraClassic are unsure of the future of the currency after a massive bullish surge. LUNC was the initial batch of the Terra Luna blockchain before the crash in May. The name was on the new Luna token. However, Terraform Labs altered the name of the old Luna token to LUNC. The journey allegedly taken by crazy people over the last year may be the most perplexing one we have encountered in the world of digital currency. And in this video, we will try to convince you why you should invest in LUNC. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. A quick overview. Let's go a little back in time. A blockchain project called TerraClassic, that is LUNC 1.05%, which was born out of the once promising Terra biological system that supported an algorithmic stablecoin, is a terrible repudiation of what it once was. After dropping from a peak of over $120 per token last year, investors may now purchase LUNC tokens for, on average, $0.0003 apiece. This means that those who made purchases close to the peak will experience close to total bad luck. All things considered, attention is starting to be drawn to the recent notable increase in LUNC. TerraClassic has flooded 33.7% in just a couple of hours. This U-turn comes after prominent cryptocurrency exchange Binance announced it will support the TerraClassic people organization by devouring all exchange fees. The Binance Group discussed the specifics of how these consumption rates will take place in the blog spot that was published early this morning. Sadly, unlike other cryptocurrencies, Terra TerraClassic hasn't had a huge jump in the cryptocurrency markets today and has been sluggish. We continue to observe consistent dismissals for Terra TerraClassic at the $0.0001 obstacle level. Since the customer cost record report, Bitcoin's price has increasingly positively and it is currently attempting to reclaim the $25,000 price level. At current price levels, LUNC may continue to collapse on the off chance that Bitcoin can stay pace with the upward trend. The crypto economy was severely impacted by the disastrous implosion of the Terra environment in May 2022. The crisis began when USD, Terra's algorithmic stablecoin, lost its investment in dollars, sending Luna, its sister token, into spiraling hyperinflation. Do Kwon, the creator of Terra, suggest a hard fork to update the Terra blockchain? Since the hard fork TerraClassic, Terra's local currency has been renamed and another chain with the name Luna 2, has been created. How many TerraClassic coins are usable at this time? How many TerraClassic coins are available? LUNC's stockpile was capped at 6.9 trillion tokens, commencing around October 5, according to data from CoinMarketCap, with a total circulating supply of 6.15 trillion coins. Beginning around October 5th, LUNC was trading at $0.003085 and had a $1.66 billion market capitalization. The value of the two tokens plummeted to virtually nothing in less than 7 days after being among the top 10 tokens in the digital currency market, wiping out billions of dollars in investor cash. In May 2022, Binance completed distributing TerraClassic USD, USDC and TerraClassic LUNC to holders of the main Terra Luna airdrop. The purpose of the activity was to provide wallets holding its local Luna token or USD stablecoin, which were almost worthless in May, a little discount. The follow-up drop was open to Terra TerraClassic holders who didn't receive the ideal number of tokens during the project's initial Phoenix airdrop on May 28. Online claims began on September 4 and ended on October 4. There are several 19.5 million tokens allocated for the airdrop. Due to LUNC's drastically large circulating supply, certain partners, including exchanges like Binance, are looking for aggressive measures to supply restrict LUNC. Binance has thus included a consumption component that would transfer all exchange fees on LUNC spot and edge trading matches to the LUNC consumption address, obliterating them. A token is equivalent to being consumed when sent to an uncontrolled cryptographic money address. Removing coins from flow activates cost activity. A large number of tokens must be consumed to quickly rebuild LUNC, even if LUNC is only being signed on a very small scale by the daily arrays of changes. LUNC coins currently available. According to Statista, around 6,000 billion LUNC tokens were created during May 2022 and entered the dynamic flow within a few days. As of the time this video is being made, according to CoinMarketCap, LUNC has a flowing inventory of 6.15 trillion coins. According to the Lunar Rich Rundown, Terraform Labs had 432.71 million LUNC tokens as of about 5th October, making it the largest LUNC holder. What do you think of today's video? Are you interested in LUNC as an investment choice? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.